I went ahead and Googled I went ahead and Googled a Mickey Mouse head, and I printed it out and I just cut it out, and that's what we'll be using as a template. Now for the actual head, the colors were pink and gold, so I went ahead and bought these from Michael's. They're gold reflective pages. You can do whatever color and whatever texture you want for your invitations. So all I'm going to do is just trace the Mickey Mouse head. You won't actually be able to see like the marking, like the line or any color, but all I wanted just to leave an indent so I can go ahead and cut it. Now for the other part that I will be needing for that little pink polka dot thing I have on the front, so I just go ahead and put the Mickey Mouse template and I just go ahead and trace it. I'm not doing a very good job here, but I'm just showing you what it needs to be done. Yeah, you do need to use both of your hands for this, so you just go ahead and trace it and then you cut it, and then that's basically what you'll have is half a circle. Now to glue it down, I go ahead and use an E6000 glue. You only glue down the bottom part, that little U part at that half circle. Do not glue down the straight line. Okay, so now you just glue down that little pink polka dot little page thing. I don't even know what it is, but you just glue it down to that Mickey head. And this, like I said, this can be whatever color, whatever pattern you choose, whatever the colors is going to be for the party or the baby shower. These are the colors we were going for, so this is what I chose for mine. And then I went ahead and flipped it on the back, and I just cut off the excess page that was hanging off from the Mickey head. Now for the bow that I used for the Minnie Mouse, I went ahead and bought this cardstock book at Michael's. It has a lot of different pink colors, and I did the exact same thing I did with the head, only with bows now. And you just go ahead and trace it and then cut it. I did go ahead and got a pencil eraser, and I just erased any pencil markings that I thought that was left over after I cut them. Okay, so now I got the E6000 glue. I put a dot on the center of the bow and then 2 dots on the ears of Minnie. And I just go ahead and hold down and glue down the bow. Now to make it a little bit more pretty, I went ahead and bought these pearl glues that are like stickers. It's a pearl, but it has a little sticker on the back, and I went ahead and popped that right at the center of that bow. And now you have that little pocket, and that's where you put all the invitation. So if it's a birthday party, that's where you would put the address and RSVP number and etc. But that is pretty much it. It's super simple and it's super adorable, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick DIY for these Minnie Mouse invitations. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.